We've all had big dreams. Goals are so lofty that they almost seem impossible. Whether it's building a successful career, starting a business, achieving personal milestones, or transforming your lifestyle, big goals often come with big challenges. The bigger the dream, the more obstacles we face along the way. But what separates those who succeed from those who give up is not just talent or resources, it's the strength of their mind. In today's video, we're diving into the mindset needed to achieve big goals. I'll be sharing practical steps and a powerful and relatable story that shows how mental strength can help you overcome setbacks and achieve your dreams, no matter how big they are. If you're serious about achieving your goals, this video is for you. 1. Big goals need a big mindset. It's easy to dream big, but developing the mindset needed to see those dreams through to the end is another thing. Most people are willing to dream, but few are eager to put in the mental work that big goals demand. A strong mind requires discipline, resilience, and the ability to push through when things get tough. To achieve something massive, you must first strengthen your belief system. You have to train your mind to believe that your big goal is not only possible but inevitable. This is the foundation on which everything else rests. 1. Meet Sarah, the dreamer. Sarah had always been a dreamer. She wanted to start her clothing brand, something she'd been passionate about since childhood. But as she grew older, her dream felt less and less attainable. She didn't have a huge following on social media, she didn't come from a wealthy background, and she had no experience in fashion design. She felt overwhelmed by her dream. Was it too big? But Sarah had something else, a burning desire to make her dream come true. That's when she decided to shift her focus not on how big the goal was, but on how strong she could make her mind. She began to work on her mental toughness, knowing that if she built a resilient mindset, she could find a way. 2. Embrace the challenges along the way. When you're working toward a big goal, challenges are not just inevitable, they're necessary. Every obstacle is a stepping stone toward success, an opportunity to grow stronger mentally. The truth is, big goals wouldn't be so rewarding if they came easy. What sets successful people apart is their ability to see challenges as opportunities rather than roadblocks. Reframe challenges. Instead of thinking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask yourself, "What can I learn from this?" Every challenge is a lesson that prepares you for the next stage of your journey. 2. Sarah's first big setback. A year into Sarah's journey, she faced her first major setback. She had invested all her savings into launching her first clothing line, but the launch was a disaster. Sales were far below her expectations, and she felt like a failure. It would have been easy for Sarah to give up at that moment, to let the disappointment crush her dream. But instead, she asked herself, "What can I learn from this?" She realized that she needed to focus more on branding and building an audience before her next launch. Instead of seeing the failure as the end of her journey, she saw it as a redirection, a lesson that would make her stronger. 3. Stay focused on the long-term vision. Big goals aren't achieved overnight. One of the biggest challenges people face is staying focused over the long haul. When things don't happen as quickly as you'd like, it's easy to lose motivation or get distracted. But to achieve something significant, you must stay laser-focused on the long-term vision, even when the results aren't immediately visible. Break your big goal into smaller, actionable steps. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep your motivation high. Remember that consistency and persistence are more important than speed. 3. Building the foundation. Sarah took the lessons she learned from her first failure and started to rebuild. She focused on creating a strong brand, connecting with her audience, and learning about marketing. Every day she worked on her clothing line, even when it seemed like there was little progress. But with each small step, she was building a foundation for her dream. Months went by and Sarah launched her second collection. This time her brand had grown, her audience was engaged, and her sales reflected the hard work she'd put in. The success didn't come overnight, it came because Sarah stayed focused, worked hard, and refused to give up on her vision, even when things got tough. 4. Build resilience to bounce back. No matter how strong your mind is, you will face setbacks. What matters is how quickly you bounce back. Mental resilience is the ability to recover from failure, rejection, or disappointment and keep moving forward. People who achieve big goals are the ones who can take a hit, dust themselves off, and get back to work. Train your mind to view failure as feedback, not defeat. The faster you can recover from a setback, the more progress you'll make in the long run. 4. Sarah's unexpected curveball. Just when things were starting to look up for Sarah, the world was hit by a major economic downturn. Her suppliers raised their prices, her customers were spending less, and she was once again faced with uncertainty. But this time, Sarah didn't panic. She had built a strong, resilient mindset and knew that setbacks were part of the journey. Instead of giving up, she pivoted her business model, finding new ways to connect with her audience and offer value. Her mental resilience helped her navigate through the tough times and come out even stronger on the other side. 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Achieving a big goal requires support. The people you surround yourself with can either lift you or drag you down. It's crucial to build a network of positive, like-minded individuals who encourage your growth and challenge you to push beyond your limits. Seek out mentors, peers, and friends who believe in your vision. Distance yourself from negativity or people who doubt your ability to succeed. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset. 5. The power of support. One of the things that helped Sarah the most was finding a community of other entrepreneurs who understood her journey. They gave her advice, supported her through tough times, and celebrated her successes. This network was invaluable to her success, helping her stay motivated and focused on her big goal, even when she felt discouraged. Achieve your big goal with a strong mind. Your goal is big, and that's okay. It's great. But to achieve it, you need a strong mind. You need to be resilient, focused, and willing to embrace the challenges that come your way. Sarah's story shows us that while the road to achieving big dreams is never easy, it's always possible with the right mindset. So, how strong is your mind? Are you ready to commit to your big goal and build the mental strength needed to achieve it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Personal Revolution for more content on personal growth and achieving your dreams. Leave a comment below on what big goal you're working towards, and let's support each other in making our dreams a reality. Subscribe to Personal Revolution for more motivational content and strategies for personal development. Like the video and share it with anyone working toward a big goal. Drop a comment below sharing what big goal you're working on and how you're building a strong mindset to achieve it.